Ever wondered how these chewy, colorful little bears come to life? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the sweet and sticky process of making gummy bears. Let's dive into the delicious secrets of the gummy bear factory.
First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to uncover more fascinating secrets from the world of food.
First, it all starts with an ingredient you might not expect: gelatin. Gelatin comes from animal collagen, primarily sourced from cows and pigs. It's what gives gummy bears their signature bounce. The process begins by boiling animal hides and bones to extract collagen. The liquid is then filtered, purified, and dried into a fine powdery form. Fancy, huh? This is the magic dust behind that stretchy gummy texture. Not all gelatin is created equal. Different types determine just how firm or jiggly your gummy bear will be. Science never tasted so good. Now, let's talk sugar. Sugar isn't just for sweetness, it's also what gives gummy bears their smooth texture. But what if you want to mix it up? Sweeteners like honey and agave can add unique flavors and even a touch of natural flair. And here's a fun fact: different sweeteners create slightly different textures and flavors. So your gummy bear could taste like a fruity dream or a honey-kissed treat. Next comes the rainbow. Natural food colorings like beet juice or turmeric give a healthy glow, while artificial colors create those vibrant neon hues we all love. And don't forget the flavors. From classic fruit to creative concoctions like lavender lemon, there's no limit to what a gummy bear can taste like. Once the mixture is ready, it's time for the molds. Here's where the real fun begins: pouring that sticky liquid gold into bear-shaped molds. It's all about precision to make sure each bear is just right. Temperature and cooling time are critical. Too hot? You'll have a gummy puddle. Too cold? The bears might not set properly. It's a delicate dance of science and art. And let's not forget innovation. Factories are using cutting-edge techniques to create intricate shapes that go beyond bears, from stars to unicorns. The possibilities are endless. Finally, it's time for packaging. Whether it's a resealable bag, a cute jar, or a fancy box, airtight packaging keeps the gummies fresh and chewy. From the factory to your favorite store, these little bears travel far and wide to bring sweetness to your day. And there you have it. The sweet journey of how gummy bears are made. Next time you pop one into your mouth, you'll know all the delicious secrets behind the magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tasty adventures.